हमारे दोनों दिग्गज, तो दिस इज न्यू वर्ड आई हैव लर्नड दिग्गज आर्टिस्टों के साथ एक बार एक शो किया था जिसका नाम था अंधेरी रात में माइक तेरे हाथ में। और उस शो को इनके जब हमने रिकॉर्ड किया था, उस शो को उस दिन के बाद ऑलराइट, एक काउंटडाउन अभी हो जाए।
अरे पैकअप यार,
थोड़ा सा शिफ्टिंग में टाइम लग रहा है।
अरे टाइम हो गया बॉस।
Ladies and gentlemen, Sunny Leone!
अबे अरे पिज्जा धड़क गया।
ये चीज है यहाँ पे जो हो रहा है आप सभी लोगों के लिए।
इधर जाएगा तो शॉट मिलेगा, वो सेट करवा जाए।
I just request all those kids to
आगे बैठने दो, बैठ के कैसा हिलेगा, कैसा मेरा एडजस्ट करता हूँ ना, हाथ का हाथ जितना करेगा
ये देख गिरी, अबे गिरी।
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Sunny Leone there! I don't think मजा आ रहा है। 1, 2, 3, Sunny Leone!
अरे और अंदर लो,
अरे और पीछे लेके जाओ, पीछे।
अरे भाई,
अरे पीछे,
अरे स्टेज पे लेके जाओ ना, स्टेज पे।
अरे पीछे लेके जा यार।
अरे स्टेज पे लेके जाओ ना थोड़ा,
पीछे लेके जा, पीछे। ये 3.2 होगा, 3.2 होगा। अरे भौजाई को खोल दो यार।
All right, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? I don't think so. Are we ready? एक बार जोर से ready बोला। 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? All right, DJ, cue that music. सनी को हम पहले नमस्ते कहेंगे। All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for Sunny Leone? मजा नहीं आया। सनी can you say मजा नहीं आया?
मजा नहीं आया।
Can we give it up for Sunny Leone? अब भी मजा नहीं आया। One more time, Sunny Leone. Thank you so much, Sunny. Till you catch your breath. We're just gonna एक बार फिर से हम जो ट्रेलर है दिखाएंगे। सनी वापस आ रही है। She's coming back. वापस आ रही है। Okay then. Can you cue with the track, please? Guys, we can give it a big round of applause. All right, you know, कभी ऐसे नहीं हुआ है. Why we've seen such a fantastic.
भाई आप कैसे हो? सब ठीक है? गाना अच्छा लगा? और dancing?
You gonna say क्या बात? क्या बात? क्या बात? एक बार करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, go. क्या बात? Excellent. So एक बार फिर हम सॉन्ग का जरा प्रोमो देख लें. Can we please have the promo? क्योंकि हमने कहा ना 2 में ज्यादा मजा है. Let's see who like. Let's Hobby. Very important question to you. ये जो cage dance आपने किया यहाँ पर, when did you learn this form?
Well, the whole song is choreographed by Uma Getty, and then this is actually the mini version.
अच्छा.
As you saw in the song, there's a huge cage.
Okay.
It's all those girls who had in the cage.
Interesting. Come on, can we please give us some love? अच्छा, sorry, one more question. ये आप बार-बार ये मैं सुन रहा हूँ, दो में ज़्यादा मज़ा है. ये ऐसा क्यों? Why is दो में ज़्यादा मज़ा है?
हमेशा ऐसा होता है, दो में से दो होता है. But in Rocky Mix 2, you see Sunny Leone sexy, and then you also see Sunny Leone scary.
तो मतलब पहली बार मैं लाइव में कहूँगा, डर के आगे जीत है, दादर के आगे सीट है, और सनी लियोन की सेक्सी है. Give it a big round of applause, please. All right, now एक बहुत ही important इंसान को मैं यहाँ पर इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा. We have Bhushan Patel, the director of this film. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can we please have a big round of applause?
Thank you.
Sir, my honest question to you. Done plus Sunny Leone.
Done and Sunny Leone is.
You see the expression on my face. ये कैसे आपने कैसे किया? इसको conceptualize कैसे किया? What was the thought?
The thought was, see, that's what it is, right? You don't get scared seeing Sunny.
हाँ.
So this is the new Sunny.
तो
You see a sexy Sunny.
जी.
I will show you a scary Sunny as well.
मतलब इंटरेस्टिंगली इस फिल्म में सनी के अलग अलग अवतार होने वाले हैं. कितने और ऐसे हमें देखने मिलेंगे?
उसके लिए पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी भाई.
तो मतलब 21 मार्च को सर ये 21 मार्च का क्या है सर?
सर 21 मार्च नहीं हो, 21 मार्च है. 21 मार्च है.
अच्छा 21 मार्च. तो 21 मार्च को बहुत डर लगने वाला है.
हाँ, डर भी लगेगा.
पहली बार बोलूँगा डर सेक्सी है.
Fear has gotten sexy, yes.
Exactly.
It's actually fear sexy.
What I also want to ask you, इसे नया genre आपने बॉलीवुड को दिया, it's called horror.
हाँ.
ये सर आपको तोड़ के बताइए.
क्या मेरी लास्ट फिल्म 1920 में मैंने सिर्फ हॉरर की. अब हमने सोचा कि बालाजी में इतना नहीं मैंने सब, लेकिन हॉरर के साथ अगर सेक्स आ जाए तो हॉरर का मजा दुगना हो जाता है. तो हॉरर और सेक्स, it is scary. My film is scary and it is sexy. So you got to see this film with your girlfriend and boyfriend, and I promise you, after you see the film, you won't know whether to run to your mother or to your girlfriend. I promise you.
Ladies and gentlemen, 21st night. 21 मार्च. सब साथ में बोलेंगे 1 2 3. पता नहीं आ रहा. सनी के टाइम यहाँ पे 1 2 3. यहाँ पे करें 1 2 3.
किस मार्च भाई.
सर ये हम दोनों करेंगे तो कुछ सनी आप कर सकते हैं.
किस लेडी शुड बी लिसनिंग.
Also very interestingly, get ready to die. When I see you say that, I really want to die. Tell me. हाँ? आप अगर ऐसे पूछेंगे तो मैं यहीं पे मर जाऊंगा. अच्छा, one more time. How many of you all love Sunny Leone in that song? यहाँ पर, how many of you love Sunny Leone? वहीं पर मैं. How many of you love Sunny Leone? How many of you love Sunny Leone? Even I do. I do. Acha, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to leave the press open for Q&A. तो एक एक करके आप अपने सवाल पूछेंगे. प्लीज अपना नाम बताइए, अपना हाथ बताइए और फिर हाँ सर होगा, जरूर होगा. पहले
फोटो
Q&A सेशन कर लें.
फोटो.
हाँ यार बच्चे की जान मत लो, सब कुछ करेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, जस्ट अ सेकंड.
फोटो
All right, we just have a quick photo op. So
वही पे Look up! Look center!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, also the makers of this song, जिनको मैं दिग्गज बुलाता हूँ, Meet Bros Anjan, please. And also the lyricist, come on, please come up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the team of Ragini MMS2. ये जो आपने गाना देखा, the first song of the movie.
Look center up!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, press, we're open for Q&A. एक करके please अपना नाम बताइए and from which station or which channel you belong to and फिर अपना सवाल पूछिए.
अरे वो लाइट ऐसा दे रहे हैं ना यार, इसमें आधा लाइट इधर आधा लाइट इधर.
Hi, Sunny, that was great.
Thank you.
I'm sure, when you debuted with just they thought that it was going to be really bold and sexy. But I think with Ragini, you've taken it to a different level. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is it going to be even more bolder? Because, even when you see the promos on the internet, you now have to type in your age. Now it's that sexy and bold, isn't it?
I believe you are correct. This surpasses anything that I've done here in Bollywood. And hopefully it's accepted and it's liked and it's enjoyed with an open mind and an open heart.
Is Baby Doll going to be your new favorite after Leila?
Of course, I can't wait to do a show and put them to both of them together.
अरे वो माइक चेक चेक.
Yeah, Mr. Bhushan. Yeah, to your right. So एक शेर है कि अगर दहशत ना होती और पाने की चाहत ना होती तो ना खुदा होता ना इबादत होती. तो दहशत और चाहत का कितना कॉम्बिनेशन है.
क्या सनी?
सनी और आपकी मूवी. सनी ऑफ कोर्स
कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन है. दहशत में हूँ, चाहत ही है. वही तो ना. सनी को किसी ने कोई डरा नहीं है सनी से. कोशिश हमारी यही रही है कि ब्यूटी एक्चुअली स्केयर्स द मोर. द ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट कहते हैं. तो ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट एक में अगर आ जाए तो कमाल हो जाता है. सो यू सी दिस ब्यूटी एज द बीस्ट इन द फिल्म. हाँ जी, हाँ सॉरी सर, बीस्ट है नहीं, हमने डाला. और शी इज वेरी हैप्पी प्लेइंग द बीस्ट, आई प्रॉमिस यू. I mean, she was always telling me that this is the part I love whenever she was playing with this. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. सर हमने नहीं किया सर, YouTube ने किया. 2 दिन में YouTube वालों ने 18 प्लस का कंटेंट का टैग डाल दिया हमारे पे, तो इसका मतलब यह कोई वॉट फॉर YouTube आई गेस। सर अभी मैं क्या बताऊँ सर, अभी आप देख के बताइए, आप मुझे बताइएगा। आप देखा आपने? हाँ, तो आप देख लीजिए पहले। सेक्सी है, स्कैरी है, शायद इसलिए मे बी वी आर टू स्कैरी फॉर इंडिया दिस मोमेंट।
Yes, of course. As you saw in the promo, at the very end, I have a very scary avatar. So I would walk around like that on set. And every time I would see myself in the mirror, I would scare myself because I would forget what I looked like. And then when I would watch the playback, some person scared me.
Actually, not people on the set, actually. She used to try and do that. Not talking people on the set.
Both working with that person.
Have you experienced paranormal activity of any sort ever before in your life? Have you, or you or your husband, have you ever gone through it?
The answer to your question is no, but I've watched the movies, they're great. You have a question?
That's it, guys?
One to one. अरे माइक दो यार, अच्छा एक माइक दो, ऑडियो नहीं है। ऑडियो
Have you saw the first one, Ragini MMS?
Yes, of course I have.
What's the difference between part 1 and part 2 for you?
There's a huge difference. The first part is something that looks like it seems real. It seems like somebody grabbed a handycam. It's a real couple, and they're on their lovely weekend. The boyfriend has that different reason why he's bringing his girlfriend there. And this one is a lot more commercial. There's a lot more backstory. There's a lot more going on in this that explains everything about Ragini MMS 1, which we'll find out.
If I may add to that, it's bigger, it's better, it's bolder. Yeah, there's a lot more sex, there's a lot more scares. It's scarier, the horror is 100 times scarier. It's much sexier, we have Sunny Leone, obviously you can't get more sexy than that. And the most important thing is, a lot of glamour because of the songs. We have songs, we have a song with Honey Singh, Honey and Sunny together. We have Baby Doll, the Meat Brothers who have done brilliantly. And we have a romantic song as well. So we have 3 songs, which the first one didn't have any songs.
Can you tell me how much you're learning from Hindi? Because your second is Hindi. How much you focus on Hindi?
सर आप इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हो, आप मेरे साथ हिंदी नहीं बोल रहे हो, कैसे आपको हिंदी बोलना?
आप मुझे हिंदी में कोई डायलॉग बता सकते हैं फिल्म का 2-3 लाइन? Any particular?
Favorite dialogue.
Sexy, no, not like filmy dialogue. Sexy dialogue.
Sexy dialogue.
Yeah.
Get ready to die. पर वो हिंदी में नहीं है.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी, आपके लिए फर्स्ट में मूवी हवन था, इसमें क्या हो क्यों नहीं है?
Sorry?
फर्स्ट मूवी में हवन था, इसमें है कि नहीं? फर्स्ट फिल्म में हवन था।
हवन? फर्स्ट फिल्म में? मतलब रागिनी 1 में?
क्या?
हवन था? हवन नहीं था? मतलब it was...
He needs to say before the release of the film. Conducted a Havan.
That way.
Just for that, So, are there any plans before the release?
I don't know about the Havan. We had a Havan before we started the film. Sunny and Iftar even gone to Siddhivinayak on the first day of the shoot, early in the morning. I couldn't go because of shooting, so... But I don't know about the Havan. Just before the release, I'm not too sure, that we'll have to ask later.
Hi Sunny, this is Saitya from News 24. Okay, franchise को भी ज़्यादा चलती नहीं है, तो आपको लगता है ये franchise चलेगी? Of course, बिल्कुल चलेगी. This is a brand that Hector and Apology created, and the first one did so well that the second one, it's 10 times bigger. It has so many more elements that have been added to it. It's a lot more commercial. it feels like Baby Doll when it wasn't in, the first movie. So they're growing the brand, they're growing the franchise, and I think that people are going to love this movie. They're going to want to see part 3.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a second before we go ahead. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to put your hands together for the producer, the genius, the woman of substance. She's beautiful, she's very intelligent. Presenting Miss Ekta Kapoor. दो में ज्यादा मजा है, so we'll do it twice. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Ekta Kapoor. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here.
Hello.
How are you doing, ma'am?
Well, I don't think anyone wants to talk to me with Sunny around. So.
नहीं ma'am, please आइए. Can I? One second. Before that, ma'am, please tell us something. ये दो में ज़्यादा मजा आया इस बात बोल दिया. And what exactly is going to happen? फिल्म में क्या होने वाला है? थोड़ा सा बताइए.
There's horror and there's a lot of what should I say? What elements are there in a good date movie? A lot of sexuality. So there's going to be दो में ज़्यादा मजा है. It's going to be the second part. The second part is always more fun for any film.
आपको पता है, after watching Ragini Express 1, I did not go next to my bike for the longest time. I did not go next to my bike after watching Ragini Express.
Good, you didn't go next to your bike.
No,
you should be going next to
her. I don't mean in that sense, but it was really scary because I couldn't imagine someone saying reach 89. Alright, so we're going to keep the question answer session open. Sir, आप पूछना है.
मेरा सवाल एक ही मन से लास्ट फिल्म में आपने शब्दों का थोड़ा जो फिल्म का टाइटल था उसमें थोड़ा चेंज किया था, जैसे मुंबई वंस अपॉन अ टाइम मुंबई दोबारा में वाई आ गया था बीच में. इसमें भी 21 मार्च को रिलीज होने वाली है, तो ये इसमें कितना इनपुट आपका था या डायरेक्टली?
Actually, input नहीं, marketing input. 21 मार्च is the date and is the pronunciation. So वैसे कुछ और बदला नहीं है टाइटल में मैंने.
आपके डायरेक्टर साहब ने बताया कि 21 मार्च है.
ये 21 मार्च इनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन है और ये भूषण जी बताएंगे बिकॉज ये मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं.
सर अगर कुछ बताना चाहिए 21 क्यों है?
अरे लाइट बंद कर दे.
20 के बाद क्या आता है भाई? 20 के बाद क्या आता है बोले? बस 21 तो है, 21 है भाई. अब 21 में जरा सा पॉज ले लूँ, आप ना पॉज दो, मैं लेता हूँ, तो मेरी मर्जी भाई. मैं कहता हूँ लीजिए, आप मत लीजिए.
अरे यार माइक नहीं है. अरे वो लाइट
और यहाँ पे 2 की बात हो रही है, नंबर 2 की. So which are the 2 most horrible things and 2 most scariest things you have experienced in your life?
2 most scariest things, I think once I was in Meerut and I was really scared because someone told me that you could wake up at 3 o'clock and someone had told me that in the hotel there was a ghost and I made the whole management stand outside my room for the next 4 hours because I was so scared. I think after that they were scared. And the second scariest thing for me would be one of my big flops I gave a couple of years ago. It scared the shit out of me.
Sunny, can you just, the same question to you.
The scariest thing that I find scary
the 2 most scariest things you have.
My mother used to have this, it's like premonitions, and I get dreams sometimes of my friends, family members, or somebody that gets sick or that gets hurt, and I call them the next day and I ask, is your mother okay? And they say, no, she's sick. And so that's always scary. I hate getting those dreams, and I hate having to call my friends the next day.
Do we have any more questions? Alright, we'll have our last 2 questions.
एकता मैम हाय. मैंने बहुत सारे रूमर थे कि ड्यूरिंग द शूटिंग आपकी और सनी के बीच में बहुत सारे कैट फाइट था. इज इट नॉट?
अभी करें एक बड़ा कैट फाइट.
नहीं, इज इट नॉट? इट्स अ रूमर.
It's not even a rumor, it's a joke. I'm in seriously, she's been a brilliant actor to work with. She's professional. You will see how good as an actor she's been in the film. And hello, I never enter a set to have a kite fight with someone. But you know, I really want to have a kite fight. Like, I really think it's a cool thing to do. I mean, what fun! I mean, if I get to box someone, literally.
One last second thing, you know, शादी की इफेक्ट में, शादी की साइड इफेक्ट में बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट है. रागिनी में इस पार्ट में कितने इफेक्ट है?
जो शादी में होता है उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स बड़े वेजिटेरियन होते हैं. वो टाइप के वेजिटेरियन साइड इफेक्ट्स शादी में मिलेंगे आपको. और जो एक हॉरर फिल्म में होता है उस टाइप के साइड इफेक्ट्स इसमें विच इज स्कैरी, slightly adult. It's for those adults who want to get scared. It's dark, it's dogma, it's delicious. Ragini's always stood as a date movie. I mean, we're not running away from it at all. So ये rumor आपने जो सोचा क्या side effects है in Ragini? सबसे बड़ा side effect Sunny Leone.
But last year you're looking so slim. Are you planning to acting in a movie?
You cast me now. Come on, make a movie with me. No one is casting me. No one is casting me. You asked me 3 questions, 2 क्योंकि 2 में ज़्यादा मज़ा आया बस.
You're looking so fabulous. That's why I'm asking you.
You're not asking me. You should tell me if I'm looking fabulous.
But are you acting or something? Because no.
Nobody's casting me. I told you.
You're a big producer. That's why no one casts you.
I know, but then that's why help me out.
Are you watching any small budget movie? Then I'll cast you.
I'm okay. Cast me today.
Okay, I'll stay in your state.
Thank you so much. You just made my day. Thank you. I think so.
Check. All right. Yeah.
Last question.
Yes.
Considering I'm from Windrose and Hub,
Can I please have?
I live with those guys. So I can tell you one thing. You're probably like, you know, the only woman that's been on their head off stage for quite some time, so their wives have taken a back seat. But regardless, I mean, I know they put a lot of effort in the song, okay? So we just want your opinion on what you think of the song, Baby Doll.
First of all, I love this song from the second I heard it. I don't think, I mean, I know that you guys made it and it's, you know, men made the song, but I really think that this is a song for women. You go out, you get empowered, and you feel like a doll at the end of, you know, at the end of the night, all dressed up. I think this is going to be a song, it's like Beyonce and all of her, like, women power songs. Like, these are songs that, you know, girls will sing.
So we're hoping for a super hit from this song, right?
I'm not hoping, I really think that this is a super hit song.
We want to tell you that when Ekta told us to make this song, and she said we want a song for Sunny Leone, I think the hook word Baby Doll came in like 30 seconds. You were like, Kumar Baji who wrote the song, he said, yaar wo baby ji lagti hai. So she kya hai, then the song should be called Baby Doll. So the song is totally dedicated to you from Ekta.
Well, thank you so much. Well, we have our associate sponsors. Could you please come on the stage into the stage? We have Gopinath ji, we have Mahesh ji and Jayesh Joshi. Please come on stage. UFX Imagines की तरफ से ये event आज इनकी वजह से possible हुआ है. साथ ही Slash Productions and Infinity Mall. We'd like to give them a big round of applause and thank them so much. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Ragini MMS2 cast, crew and the team. Thank you very much.
एकता जी फोटो. हाँ उसके अंदर एकता जी को उसके अंदर ना, पिंजरे के अंदर मैडम, पिंजरे के अंदर फील्ड क्लियर. एकता जी अंदर मैडम अंदर.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you people. MS2. Thank you very much. This is your RJ and your host Sania. Have a great day.
Hey Sunny.
Rolling.
Are you guys ready?
आपने क्या रागिनी का प्रोमो देखा है? अगर देखा है तो आपको कितना अच्छा लगा? प्रोमो मैंने देखा है और बहुत इंक्विजिटिंग है और मेरा भी बहुत मन कर रहा है उसको जब फिल्म पर्दे पे आएगी तो हमसे।
सनी सीआईडी का हिस्सा बन रही है, उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे। और जब आपको पहली बार पता चला कि सनी इस जो एपिसोड आप शूट कर रहे हैं आज उसका हिस्सा बनने वाली, तो क्या फीलिंग थी? सनी कमिंग ऑन सीआईडी।
सेलिब्रिटीज़ जब भी आते हैं हमें अच्छा लगता है और सनी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, बहुत नेचुरल हैं, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम किया, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा।
I haven't seen a lot of the show, but I do love like murder mysteries and investigation TV shows a lot.
आज के सीन के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, किस तरह का सीन था और
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था आपका सीआईडी का?
Sure. Show में आने का बहुत मज़ा आया. Right now I have to finish the show and do a dance still, so I think once a whole episode is done, it's going to turn out really nice. But I am part of the show today. My character is someone who went to the hotel when it first opened, and I didn't know that I had a video clip in my phone, and they come back and there's some murders that happened here, and they're here to investigate.
सीआईडी में अब डांस होगा तो कितना रिफ्रेशिंग होगा आप लोगों के लिए?
अच्छा होगा बिल्कुल, और सनी जब डांस करेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा।
जैसे आपने बताया कि सनी इस एपिसोड पे डांस भी कर रही हैं, तो प्रोमो को भी कुछ शायद बड़ा चढ़ा के दिखाया जाए सनी लियोनी इन सीआईडी हाउस?
डेफिनेटली प्रोमो में अगर सनी आई हैं तो उसको हम करेंगे ही, प्रोमो भी अच्छे चलेगी।
ओके सनी, कितना मुश्किल और आसान होता है? सनी कितना मुश्किल और आसान होता है इस तरह से प्रमोशन पे जाना है? गर्मी, परेशानियाँ, लेकिन प्रमोशन तो करना ही है। और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है when you go out for those promotion, especially on the reality show, on the episode show?
TV shows are usually the most fun. बहुत मज़ा आता है क्योंकि you get to meet सब actors को मिलते हैं और काम करना उसके साथ. So it's a lot of fun to be able to do that because हम bubble में रहते हैं usually and we don't get to venture out and meet new people or किसी और के साथ काम करना, it doesn't always happen because you get stuck doing stuff. Promotions बहुत काम है. Balaji is keeping me busy every second of the day. मुझे छोड़ने जाते, they're not letting me go. So it's been very tiring but very exciting. All of our promotions are turning out amazing. My favorite so far has been Jaipur. So many people came out to support, and you can't thank the fans enough for coming out.
The last question, expectation बहुत ज़्यादा high है रागिनी इस शो को लेकर, और आप टीम का हिस्सा है तो और ज़्यादा high है expectation. Are you nervous? The release date is coming closer. What type of feeling going on? You are nervous, excited?
हाँ, मैं बहुत nervous हूँ. Actually जब मैं shooting कर रही थी मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं है कि this is my movie or this is this or anything like that. मैंने सिर्फ सोचा कि हम actors हैं और हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं और ये बड़ा picture होगा. So now that everybody's asking me the same question, of course मैं बहुत nervous हो गई. And मैं सिर्फ चाहती हूँ that everybody likes the show or likes the movie and enjoys and gets very scared.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
बोला मेरे को रोलिंग ओके रोलिंग सनी रोलिंग पीछे से हटिए प्लीज. सनी और लेकिन स्टनिंग, टेल अस सीआईडी इतने सालों से सोनी टीवी पे आ रहा है, लोग बहुत पसंद भी कर रहे हैं. आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और किस तरह से आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हैं सीआईडी में?
Sure, I'm helping be a part of 8 episode and so far it's been fun. I didn't know I was going to be memorizing lines today, so थोड़ा सा difficult था, but I think everything is turning out wonderful.
जैसे आपने कहा कि आप किस तरह क्या किरदार क्या होगा, अगर किरदार क्या थोड़ा बताएं जो आज आपने सी अंदर पिक्चराइज किया.
Am I allowed to say? Yeah? Okay, I got permission. Well, they're investigating a murder case or murder cases that are happening in a hotel. And I just happened to be there on the first day of the hotel opening, and I had a performance there. And I'm telling them about how my phone had recorded certain incidents of, I guess, spooky activity, something I don't even know yet. And that's, you know, I'm helping them solve their case, hopefully.
सनी क्या बात है, आप जब भी आप प्रमोशन के लिए कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, किसी भी सीरियल या रियलिटी शो का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं, आप डांस ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं।
I don't know क्या हो रहा है। I guess everybody मुझे dance they want me to dance, they want to see me dance, I guess. Either enjoy it or make fun of me on TV, who knows, we'll find out. But अच्छा है क्योंकि you know dance में मज़ा आता है।
आप CID कितना देखते हैं?
Actually, my show, I haven't seen a lot of the show, but I've heard a lot about it, and I'm so happy to be here.
But do you like investigative shows, Sunny, personally? Do you prefer watching investigative shows based on police, cop, FBI? SWAT?
Sure. I do like watching shows like this. One of my favorites is like Dexter. So it's very, I don't know if it's similar, but you know, they're investigating cases, which is something that they haven't similar.
तो फिर आपने किस तरह से इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया सनी के साथ?
इस पर्टिकुलर केस में एक मिस्टीरियस मर्डर हो जाता है एक होटल में, और CID को थोड़ा हेल्प मिलती है सनी के कैरेक्टर से, जो रागिनी का कैरेक्टर कर रही है। इसमें इन्होंने एक क्लिप रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है जिसमें पूरे एपिसोड का क्रक्स है, और वो क्लिप आपको एपिसोड में ही देखने को मिलेगा।
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो क्या फीलिंग थी, सनी लियोनी कमिंग ऑन CID?
सेलिब्रिटीज जब भी आते हैं हमें अच्छा लगता है, और सनी बहुत
आज के सीन के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, किस तरह का फिल्म का और क्या आप करके नजर आएंगे इन CID हाउस?
डेफिनेटली प्रोमो में अगर सनी आई हैं तो उसको हम करेंगे ही, प्रोमो भी अच्छा चलेगा।
ओके सनी, कितना मुश्किल होता है कितना मुश्किल और आसान होता है सनी, कितना मुश्किल और आसान होता है इस तरह से प्रमोशन पे जाना है ना, गर्मी परेशानियाँ, लेकिन प्रमोशन तो करना ही है, और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है when you go out for a promotion, you know, especially on the reality show, on the episode show?
TV shows are usually the most fun. सब लोग थोड़ा सा पागल हो गए while I was behind the glass. After a while, they all just wanted photos instead of buying tickets. But हम यहाँ आए. This is our last stop, and actually हम यहाँ same चीज़ करने के लिए आए. We're here to just hand out tickets, sell tickets. But actually कोई tickets नहीं है. So I don't know हम क्या करेंगे. देखते हैं क्या होता है. I think for tomorrow we're gonna give tomorrow's tickets. अगर वो होते हैं.
कोई टिकट्स नहीं है आपने कहा, यानी मतलब सब शो हाउसफुल जा रहे हैं?
It's houseful tonight, baby.
साथ आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहेंगे कि आगे फिल्म तो रिलीज हो चुकी है, आगे के प्रमोशन आप किस तरह से करने वाले हैं?
Actually, this is the last day, last promotion. I'm sure हम थोड़ा सा we'll do some media इसके बाद as far as reaction goes. क्या होता है? Today is like the day. We find out the numbers tomorrow, and God willing, this movie will do well.
सनी फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है, मैं भी देख ही रहा था फिल्म की, एडल्ट फिल्मों में काम करने से ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एक्टर हो जाए, लेकिन फिर उसके बाद आपने जिस तरह से एक्टिंग करके बताया है सबका बंद हो जाता है, तो वो आप बॉलीवुड के उन लोगों को एक तमाचा भी मार रहे हो इस सीन के जरिए, जो आपको कभी आपकी एक्टिंग पे सवाल उठाते रहे?
They do make fun of me. But at the end, after that, after my part, the O scene, as Balaji likes to call it, you see Maddie's मुंह बंद.
तो ऐसे जो लोग, मतलब आपको ये जो मुंह बंद वाली बात है, आपको लगता है ये फिल्म देखने के बाद बॉलीवुड में कई लोगों का मुंह बंद होने वाला है?
I don't know if that will happen, मुंह बंद करने के लिए, but I I hope that जो भी लोग हैं that judge me, that you know speak bad about me, वो ये मूवी देखे मेरे परफॉर्मेंस की बात बारे में they'll change their mind hopefully.
अच्छा, फिल्मों के साथ आपकी एक्टिंग में भी आपको लगता है सुधार आ रहा है?
I believe that in this movie my acting has gotten better क्योंकि मैं कैमरा के सामने थोड़ा सा और comfortable हूँ and ये climax का scene, this is my favorite scene and अगर आपने did you see the climax? Yeah, did you like it? मैंने क्या किया I can't even tell you कितने my whole body was contorted. I didn't have a body double when I was doing these backward bends and all this stuff hanging from the air, so I was bruised, I was cut, I was bleeding, and Sandhya and Sahil, and then everybody was hurt, everybody was cut, everybody's fingers smashed, and I truly was fighting them like I've never fought before.
अच्छा सनी, किस तरह की फिल्में करना चाहती हैं आप? जो आपके दिल में है कि मैं बॉलीवुड में इस तरह की, क्योंकि ये फिल्में आपको सामने से आ रही, लेकिन आप किस तरह की मूवी करना चाहती हैं आपके?
I think for me मैं सिर्फ काम करना चाहती हूँ, but मेरे favorite roles always actions होते हैं, maybe action with a little bit of comedy, suspense. I actually love movies जब आप edge पे seat बैठ रहे हो and you're watching the movie when you're just totally engrossed with what's going on. I find those movies are some of my favorites.
Sunny, it was a dialogue in the film. Actually, this scene, it was a conscious effort, like you're trying to say, trying to change your image also in the.
I don't think his movie with that image change हो रहा है.
Particular dialogue actually, where you see the acting, you can really act even, So that was a conscious effort what was doing, and you're trying to change your image when you shed the image.
Well, those dialogues were created by Balaji. So I think along with it, we're just trying to just make a good movie. The dialogues were made by them, but I think there is some truth to the to that dialogue. You might see me a certain way in life, and you might think I'm a certain something, but I'm not that. And I'm a person, and I'm a human being, and my feelings get hurt. And I want to tell those people that, they say bad things about you. I want them to see me in a different way, and hopefully, मेरे acting के through that this will happen.
सनी, आपने जिस्म 2 के साथ शुरुआत की जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी चली, उसके बाद आपके कई सारे फिल्म उतने अच्छे नहीं चल पाए, अब वापस से रागनी MM होप्स आपके ऊपर है और इस फिल्म से कितनी सारी आशाएं हैं आपकी?
जो मैंने देखा अब तक as far as promotions go and सब कुछ है, I hope that this movie does extremely well. Tonight's show is sold out. जब आप movie theater आते हैं and the owners are telling you the shows are sold out and the whole weekend is basically sold out, then it makes you very happy. My expectations are just that मैं चाहती हूँ that people see this and they say, Sunny, yes, you are growing as an actress. Yes, Sunny, you did a better job in this movie than you did in the last.
You want Salman Khan to see this movie back? Have you told him, in fact? Have you told him about it?
मैंने
because definitely.
मेरे ऐसे बात उसके साथ नहीं होता है. We're not friends like that. I don't have his phone number. Do you have his phone number? But if he would like to watch it, of course I would want him to see the movie. Hopefully I scare him.
But at least you want to convey the message through our channel in fact.
An open invitation.
To Salman Khan, I hope that you see this movie and you enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
जो हुआ so today's हाँ sure अभी तक जो response मिला it's been absolutely amazing. I've been following everything on Twitter. People are posting sold out theaters for me on my account and I love it. I think जो हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. So hopefully by the end of today we'll have a big number.
But Sunny, Ragini has scared so many people. People are so scared. They're getting goosebumps. They come out of the theater. So how do you feel at the moment?
I feel great. That was ये मेरा job था इस movie का to scare everybody. So अगर लोग scared हो रहे हैं then thank God.
But how do you think you're taking up competition with Bollywood actors at the moment? So who do you find as a competitive spirit you get it from the Bollywood?
Competitive spirit. I think I'm my own biggest competitor, my own biggest critic, my own biggest enemy. All of it together. For me, I think every actor or actress they have their own journey. They have their own platform that they're on. So. I don't know about competition. For me, I just want to do a good job, and if this movie makes 1 rupee more than the last one, then I'm happy.
But you might be getting some inspiration or from someone from Bollywood actresses, or inspiration either, or some rivalry also. So would you like to reveal a few things, or would be by naming 2 people?
People that I find inspirational are somebody like Priyanka Chopra. I think she's doing an absolutely amazing job crossing globally around the world. Reaching so many people. I'm so proud of her. जब मैं America में होती हूँ and मैं mall में जाती हूँ and there's a big poster of Priyanka Chopra in the store. So as an Indian woman in America, I'm so proud of her.
So do you feel this is your best movie till date?
Hello. Of course I do. I think that you can only move forward. You can only get better in life, and hopefully, जब लोग ये movie देखते हैं, that they'll also see that I'm growing as an actress, and this is definitely the best film to date. I've only seen the climax. I'm going to see the movie tonight.
एकता की तरफ से क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिले आपको, खासकर रिस्पॉन्स किस तरह का रहा, और अगली फिल्म उनके साथ करने वाली?
The biggest compliment, I think it was a young man on Twitter saying, I hate my life. मुझे एक ticket नहीं मिल रहा है. So he was so upset. I thought it was the cutest thing that I've seen so far. It was very cute.